What's cooking kitchen design for 2018? We hit the world's largest kitchen design show, KBIS, to find out.
Foodie is definitely leading the charge. I think it went from people were designing high-end kitchens, but actually weren't really using them as much. Now we're finding that people are actually using them. They want to stay at home. They're very interested in the type of food they're eating.
So it seems it's definitely a foodie's market for those focused on appliances with the most advanced technology and beautiful design. Enter the first built-in sous vide range on the market by Signature Kitchen Suite.
We're introducing sous vide cooking to the pro range industry. And if you're not familiar with sous vide is about vacuum cooking. It's about precision. It's about being able to get the temperature of a chicken or a fish or a meat within 1 degree.
We developed this product for forward-thinking cooks. We like to refer to them as technicurians. Technology meets Epicureans. We like to say at Signature Kitchen Suite that we're focused on the food. It's all about being true to the food.
Technology also took center stage at KBIS.
You can easily remotely control your oven by being able to preheat it. And the other thing you could do is utilizing voice command, asking Alexa, hey Alexa, could you please preheat my oven to 375 degrees? We're introducing our partnership with Innit and SideChef. This allows our LG Smart Think Q to download recipes, look up recipes. If you're somebody who's interested in cooking a steak, but you don't know a recipe for it, you could actually look it up through the app, and it walks you step by step, and it actually communicates with your oven, preheating it, setting the proper time to cook it effectively.
And when it comes to style and aesthetics, appliances continue to evolve with new options. Stainless steel remains popular and classic, but new finishes such as matte black and black stainless steel are revolutionizing kitchen design with the added benefit of fingerprint and smudge resistance.
Finishes continue to be a strong trend, and then a lot in the stone and tile category. Quartz continues to be the standard.
And that's the wrap from KBIS 2018. In Orlando, I'm Lisa Minute.